Good evening, traders. Good night. Stocks on the move. This is a stock that's we're gonna take a look at right now. It's ticker symbol EXEL, and this stock has been on a tremendous uptrend back here from this 126. Those of you guys who've been watching my video, as you recall, we took a trade in this stock on a pullback, going over. Actually, it was right here, somewhere in here. We took a trade. All right, back in March. All right, going over this 200-day moving average. All right, we rode this stock for a while, then we got rid of it, and ever since then I have not looked at it or even have this stock on my radar. So now, ever since that pullback, I think it was this move right here. Actually, this is where we probably took the stock. I'll double check exactly where I took this trade at, but ever since then, like I said, I have not been watching the stock or even looking at it. So when you look at right here, this low, you see the stock broke both these highs. It's making higher highs each time it spikes up, it makes a higher high. So if you was watching the stock, or if I was watching the stock, what I would have been anticipating is one of these highs would have been looking like this. All right, it's only a matter of time after you see highs like this, consecutive highs, higher highs. It's only a matter of time before the stock breaks out to new highs. All right, so with that being said, I wasn't watching it. Okay, once again, so when this move happened on this candle right here, which was on the 20th, this is when it came on my radar. So this is a stock, like I said, that has a nice, and it's not a straight uptrend. It's an uptrend, with nice pullbacks, nice support, breaking each resistant point, which with every new high. So when you look at it, it made a nice stair ladder to the upside. All right, so look at it from right here before this move happened. All right, coming off this 200-day moving average, I drew this trend line going up here. All right, so before all of this happened, you would have seen price come down into this 50-day moving average right here. So the anticipation would have been for a price to come back around and retest this high right here, and which it did, and it broke to new high doing it. So what am I looking for? What is the next play I'm looking for? Since this happened already, what am I looking for now is for price to actually come back and test this high right here. You see this high? Actually, they got it at 638 because I'm on a day chart. Let me go into the hourly chart. So you see on the hourly chart right here, the stock is coming from $3 and 31, $3 between 381 and 390 was the price range it was trading at before. But right here is where the stock, all right, broke out to new highs right here. Well, I wouldn't say new highs. Well, it broke out after this long sideways action. It broke out to highs. All right, so this was a good breakout, but this was a poor high. And why I say that, because as you can see, this is a big wick on the upside, and then look at the body of the candle. So this is a big candle, and this wick is actually almost half of this candle. So what I was actually anticipating, was a nice pullback and find me a nice entry. So once I seen the price came back down from this 773 high, I started looking for an entry. So I watched this pullback zigzag right here. You see this pullback. All right, I thought it was gonna come lower, because I always say I don't like taking trades when the price is extended from the 50 and the 200-day moving average. So when you look at the price action right here, all right, price pulled back, but it's pulling back, but it's holding this support line right here. All right, so if I draw this also, all right, you see, excuse me. So this is the support line right on this 61.8, a little bit below it, but this is the support line right here. No, actually I'm wrong. Actually a little bit further up, because this is the move up right below this candle right here, where buyers came in and bought it, is where I'm going to draw it. And what I'm looking for right here, or what I was looking for, was for price to come back down here. And price came back down here and buyers bought it back up. So as you can see right here, even though it closed right here on this candle, is where I actually got in this trade. Because immediately when I bought it right here, the stock, this candle closed lower, but the stock, made a move to the downside. But it found support right here. So after this sideways action right here, price crossed back over into the 20-day moving average. As you can see from that, from 576, the stock went running. So if I can remember correctly, I'm up about 9% on this trade. All right, so when you look at this price action, what am I anticipating now? I'm anticipating for this price action to continue to come and actually test the 773. So where I drew the trend line for you guys, this trend line right here. All right, I drew the trend line because I'm looking for the move, because I bought this stock already after this move already. So I don't want to be caught, you know, on the wrong side right here where they actually pull it back. Who knows how hard they're going to pull it back, you know. So I'm carefully watching this. So tomorrow I'm looking for the stock to actually play in this area right here. So I'm going to put the box as usual. You know, I normally trade price ranges. So from this 773 high, all right, I'm going to get it close as I can possible. So from here, we are trying to enter into this box right here. Normally, I draw the box. We are in the box, and we're looking to see which way price is going. But I'm drawing this box here to show you that what I'm anticipating right here, if a price to come into this box and probably find support up here, all right, on this 631 right here, which is where it closed at today. So tomorrow, I'm looking for what they're going to do tomorrow or the next couple of days, or tomorrow and Friday, I should say. Tomorrow's Thursday. As you can see right here, my MACD already is already to the downside, and my momentum is to the downside. All right. So, you know, I took a trade up here, so I have to know how to, you know, monitor this trade, because right now I'm up 9% on this trade. So there's a little room for a pullback. So I don't want to give up most of my 9% that I already gained. So I have to monitor this very carefully. If it opens and it starts to trend downwards, down to this support line, then I have to, you know, I don't know, maybe I add to the position, all right, depending on where this 50-day moving average actually is. So this is one I'm throwing at you guys. It's ticker symbol EXEL. Do your homework before, you know, you take a trade or you look to trade any stock that I put up. Remember, trading involves risk. You can lose all your money. And for any other questions or any, you know, any other details or anything you want me to go over, please feel free to send me the email, the number 3, the letter D, consultme@gmail.com. Peace.